I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this short video is just going to talk you through some options to elevate your window dressing and finish to your Roman blinds when you're fitting your Roman blind outside a window recess. So when you're fitting your Roman blind outside a window recess, you can see the sides of the Roman blind, and quite often the Roman blind headrail is visible. So we've come up with a couple of options to overcome this and to really elevate the finish for a sophisticated sort of wow factor to your window dressing. So the first option is to add a Roman blind pelmet box. So this one is in a plain colour to coordinate with the fabric, but you can have a fabric matched Roman blind pelmet box, and this will be pattern matched, and we're just going to show you a photograph of an example now. Or indeed you may wish to choose a contrasting colour, so pick up an accent colour for example from the pattern of your Roman blind and have that in a plain fabric, so various ideas. We can also put trims on the Roman blind, so on the bottom is a typical location for a trim, and indeed on the pelmet box as well, so you can have either or, yeah, again just to elevate the finish. So the sides of the Roman blind pelmet box are beautifully fabric covered for that lovely finish. The other option that we offer, and these will be available when you come to specify your Roman blind on our website, are fabric side returns. So if you don't want the pelmet box, and we just offer the option of covering the headrail with these lovely side returns that just sit covering the headrail for a neat finish. If you're embarking upon a project and need any help with fabric selection or have any questions at all, please do get in touch and a member of the team would be delighted to help. Please call us on 01590 615 775 or email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk. We also offer a bespoke design service, both face-to-face in our showroom in Brockenhurst and also virtually, should you live further away. So please view the website to book an appointment. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with product news, product information, useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.